Hi, I'm Doug. Welcome to Clean Energy Heating Systems. In this video, we're going to show you how to start up your furnace. First, you want to make sure it's installed correctly. Make sure you're connected to your flue stack, that you're wired into your main power circuit, that you're connected to your oil tank and your oil pump, that you have oil in your tank, and that you're connected to your air compressor or to your shop air system. When power is connected, the green light will be on. If you're powering it up after being off for a while, wait a few minutes for the preheater to warm up. The furnace won't start if the preheater is not warmed up. You may also have to prime the pump prior to starting the furnace. You can watch the video on how to prime the pump. To start the furnace, turn your wall thermostat above room temperature to trigger the furnace to fire up. Once the furnace is firing, you can see the flame through the observation port. Even in ceiling mount installations, you should be able to see a glow through the observation port from the ground. Follow the instructions in the manual to adjust your combustion air intake for optimal operation. And also follow instructions in the manual to adjust your compressed air for optimal operation. Insert a draft gauge into the observation port to verify that you have appropriate draft. You're going to check this periodically to make sure it's adjusted as needed per the manual. If you have any problems, call your local dealer or call us. We're all here to help. Thanks for watching.